Smile and learn.
Sometimes life can seem a little overwhelming, right? Whether it's at school, with friends, or even at home, we all go through times when things seem difficult for us.
I wish there were some tricks to help us feel better during these difficult moments.
They exist, Smiley. They're called coping mechanisms. They're things we can do to improve our mood when we're having a bad day. It's like a toolbox that we can open whenever we need to. Today we're going to talk about some of them: deep breathing, journaling, physical activity, talking to someone, and mindfulness and meditation. Let's look at them one by one. Deep breathing. Let's start with deep breathing. It involves breathing slowly and filling our lungs with air. Breathing slowly and deeply helps us to be more relaxed and calm. When we breathe like this, our brain receives the signal that all is well, and that helps us think more clearly and feel less stressed. Interesting, right? Journaling. Another option is to write in a journal or diary. It's a great way to express ourselves. Writing what we think and feel helps us to better understand what worries us and why. Plus, it's a safe place where we can be ourselves without fear of being judged. Try it. You'll see how good it feels. Physical activity. Physical activity can also help us to feel better. It can be running, playing a team sport, or even dancing. Moving your body is a great way to release stress. When we exercise, our body releases endorphins, which are like little waves of happiness that improve our mood. Let's get moving. Talking to someone. Sometimes just talking to someone can make a difference. It can be a friend, a family member, or someone we trust. Sharing how we feel with others can help us see that our problems aren't as big as we think. Never underestimate the power of a good conversation. Mindfulness and meditation. Finally, mindfulness and meditation are very powerful tools. They're about focusing on the present, on what we are doing right now, without worrying about the past or the future. Here's a challenge. Sit for 5 minutes with your eyes closed and focus only on your breathing. Will you be able to do it without thinking about other things? Practicing mindfulness and meditation helps us to reduce stress and anxiety. So now you know. Coping mechanisms are always there for us to use when we need them. Try these different options and find the one that works best for you. We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.